Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. XD made a request in the comments for SCCO, which is Southern Copper Corporation, so let's take a look. They have a market cap of $38 billion, the current stock price is 49.24, and they're in the copper mining industry. If we look back 10 years, we can see that they have actually underperformed the S&P 500, and that with more volatility. But the sales has been great. Sales growth over the last 5 years has been 15.2%. The earnings growth is also amazing, 34.4%. No numbers for future earning estimates though. The return on capital is okay, 13.47%. The debt is quite low compared to their free cash flow, 2.19%, but they are not buying back any shares currently. The dividend yield is a massive 10.31%. Payout ratio is a bit high though, 81. The growth rate 69%, but they have only been growing it for 2 years consecutively. That makes up for 6 out of 10 points. For a fast valuation at gurufocus.com, we can see that they rate it at modestly undervalued. But as always, let's do a bit deeper dive in the valuation in fast graphs. So here we are in fast graphs. We are at Southern Copper Corporation. And to begin with, I want to highlight that this is a company with extreme volatile earnings. So it's going up and down like a yo-yo. And during the last 15 years here, it's only been growing its earnings at 3%. If we also put in the price, we can see that this is also highly volatile. And if we also put in the dividend, we can see that they are actually, the yield is very much up and down. And at the bottom here, we can see that they are actually cutting the yield, then increasing it, then cutting it, and then increasing it, and cutting it and increasing it. So if you want a stable dividend paying company, this is not it. But of course, the yield is at least currently very high. It will be hard to project what this stocks goes in the future. It much follows the copper price, of course. But for now, if we project out to late 2024, we can see a total annual rate of return of 12.5%. So that was it for Southern Copper Corporation. If you guys liked it, please share your comments about Southern in the comment section below, and subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye.